Hello everyone. Hello. This is Bear from Elliott Wave. How's everyone doing? Please, as always, let me know if you can hear me. It would be very much appreciated. And then, as always, we get started. Hope everyone is doing great. But you should be able to hear me. The sound should be good on my end. How's everyone doing? Has everyone been? We're here 2 weeks in a row, and I think it's gonna be every week from now on. We're gonna be live here on Elliott Wave, and we'll see if we can do even more than once a week. Trying to pick up here on YouTube with Elliott Wave, and also I see that finally you should be able to see the stream in 1080p. Unlike the previous ones that were just in 720s, so that should also be a nice thing. But yeah, just welcome. Let me know if you can hear me. I'll notify everyone on the Discord. So, all right. So we got that sorted out, and then let me also join my Discord. There we go. As always, guys, if you have any sort of request, just let me know. Anything that you want to take a look at, we are here for that. I mean, I'm here for that. So yeah, just let me know. An interesting week. We've seen downside yesterday and today. So we'll see where's that gonna take us. Ask me anything to analyze. And there we go. All right, everything's done on the chat. And great, ready to go. All right. Let's get started, guys. So here we have a Nasdaq daily chart. So let me just prepare some chart for you guys so that we're ready. Also, I posted a video this week on gold. Not sure anyone has seen it. So we'll go on cryptos here. We'll have the crypto tab open. Candles. Let's start on the daily. Okay. Sort it out, and then yeah, let's take a look at. Let's start with gold. So daily chart on gold. Posted a video the other day. I think it was 2 days ago. We were here, and it was just a short. It was just a quick update on how, if we keep the hypothesis that we have 1, 2, 3. And potentially completed wave 4, and we're ready to resume higher, then we could have here 1, 2, and then again 1, 2. So we're looking at this possibility on the previous video. It has been playing out as expected in that video. Ideally, I'm looking for support to step into the market around this area. Because usually, after a diagonal, the way over the diagonal, the pullback usually finishes near the wave 2 of the diagonal. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And usually we have the retracement after diagonal to end up near the wave 2 of the diagonal. So this area. So that's what I would expect from the market. Something like that. We'll see how it's going to unfold. But for the time being, that forecast was successful. And for the time being, there's reason to believe this count is finished. And then we are resuming higher. By the way, guys, if you just joined us, welcome. Let me know if there's anything you want me to take a look at in the chat. And I'll be happy to show you guys whatever you want to take a look at. So that's gold. That is gold. Let's see what else we got. We got oil moving quite interestingly. Yeah, at this point, well, it looks like we're in some sort of a complex. Hello, man. How you doing? And yeah, it looks like potential we get some sort of support around the $65 a barrel. Yeah, for sure. We'll do the Forex roundup for sure, man. I got you. Let me just see where volume is. So let's use fixed volume profile. Okay, it's down here at 38. Obviously, second largest is around here. So that's something I would expect from the market. We'll see. So let's start with Aussie dollar. I can see it's moving, has been moving as expected. Yeah, at this point I would potentially ending diagonal wave C, I would assume. A, B, C, I think that's possible. This was a golden box right there. Swing, swing, swing. It has been moving as expected, so that's good. Golden box is a golden box after all. So let me think. Yeah, now we're kind of in a dangerous territory. One thin, but it would be quite dangerous, but it's possible. One thing you could look for is, let me go on the 3-hour chart. So let me get rid of the box because we want to see things. And let's get rid of the averages. So a naked chart as we like it. Maybe here. So maybe we can wait for a pullback and then trade something like this. If it happens, something like this. That's what I can think of. Let me know if there's any questions on that. But so far, this looks like a three-wave move to the upside, which makes sense. So yeah, I don't see why we should be bullish. Oh, sorry. I meant to do this. Okay. Yep. And look at this. Weekly chart. We are closing, for the time being at least. We still have a few hours, but not that much. Below the 20 EMA, 20 moving averages, which is this red line you see here. So that's a sign. I mean, that's interesting. So that was Aussie dollar. Let me know if you have questions on that. Next one, let's do GU. GU is bouncing on the 200 EMA. On the cross, you can see here we have a cross of the 200 and the 20, which are the purple, so the 200, and the red line is a 20, which many times when we have the cross, it's a divergent sign. So in this case, it would be a bearish sign. So let me look at some relationships between wave C and A. Equality has been met. C versus A. Therefore, yeah, this would have been a golden box, for instance. One, two, three, four, five. Perhaps. Hello, Sam. Yes, for sure I can. It's lined up. I got you. Yeah, you guys keep your requests coming. We have time. We have plenty of time. And let me know, obviously, if you have any questions at all. So let me just share this on Discord, and I'll be right back. By the way, guys, if you haven't, please do a like. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. You enjoy the content. If you do, if you don't, then don't leave a like. But if you do, it really helps. So hopefully we can attract more people onto this live stream. All right. So that was GU. Pretty much the same thing. Expect downside. EU, I would assume it'd be pretty similar. Yeah, I remember we're looking down at this. I mean, this was from last week, if you remember, and it has moved as expected. So what I can say is, yes, we can. I mean, I'm not sure about this wave 4. I don't think this is wave 4. I think this is just ABC, not being a wave 4, I would agree. So let's don't mind that. What is important to the count is the integrity of it, and it looks like we can expect downside. So yes, I would expect downside next week to here on U. So basically a dollar gaining strength. More than gaining strength, just at least pulling back. Then what else are we missing? Okay, let's do Kiwi dollar, and then we're good. But I would assume it would be similar. Here we even broke the previous swing. A bit more bullish, I gotta say, here. But I'll leave it. I'll just don't like this. I prefer. My favorite is, I'm not sure if it's Aussie dollar or even GU was looking quite interesting, I gotta say. All right. Let me know if you have questions. If you just joined us, welcome. This is Barry from Elliott Wave. Right now it's the market using Elliott Wave Theory, and if you have anything to ask, any question, anything you want me to take a look at, to analyze, please just do in the chat. And as well, you can join my free Discord. Link is also in the chat. So, BNB. By the way, guys, yeah, as I said, let me know if you have any questions. BNB. Yeah, Binance. Oh, sorry, guys. It's been a long day, and I'm pretty tired, but I gotta do this because it's for you. So, you know what, Sam? I gotta be honest, I haven't looked at Binance in a long time. I gotta be honest. Let me have a sip of water, guys. Oh, man, that felt good. Alright, so what have we got here? Let me see. Okay. Let's go on the daily. Don't waste any time. Okay. Okay. So, okay, that makes sense. 1, 2. I don't really like this because I see 3 here. I have to be honest with you. I don't like it. Not sure why I labeled it as wave 1. Why did I? It's a good question. Why did I label it as wave 1? Not sure, but I don't really like that. I mean, if you were to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, would that be possible? I don't know, guys. I do not know. I have doubts. So let's hear from the top in May. Yeah, this doesn't look finished. That's for sure. Because we have 3 up, 3 ways to trend on May. Therefore, I do favor downside. I mean, we could get some sort of W, X, Y, X, Z maybe? What do you think about this, Sam? Did you have any count already? Maybe that's a possibility, but yeah, I still don't see upside potential in this. Shiba hasn't been moving. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised to look for. Yeah, this is 3. You can expect further downside for sure. How's Doge doing? Yeah. Downside. Yeah, overall downside. I gotta be honest. All creatures are looking bullish for sure. Yeah, downside. Even Bitcoin. Because I did track this down, but now it just looks. So unless the only way I can count it as, even then, I just see, because you could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The problem is that if this is wave 3, 1, 2, 3, it just doesn't look. It looks more like A, B, C. I've got to be honest. So forget about it. Doesn't seem right. But yeah, I expect downside. As I've said, I posted a video, might have been a month ago, that I showed how if we look on the yearly chart, we have equal highs at around 14,000. So, I mean, look at this. This yearly chart. I mean, I wouldn't say the good thing, because if it happened before, it doesn't mean it's going to happen again. However, every time we had equal highs here, and it just happened twice, equal high, closed, but then the year after, we closed positive. Equal highs, closed negative. The year after, we made it back. So the fact that it happened in the past doesn't mean it's going to happen again. That's not how it works. However, we'll see what's going to happen. But yeah, if we're talking about weeks from now, I see downside in cryptos. That's what, Elliott Wave wise, the market is telling me. Let me know if there's any specific question. So let's take a look at USD CAD. USD CAD. you could be looking for, I don't know, what can you look for? I mean, it could go up from here, or else do something like this. It would be nice, wouldn't it? I mean, it would for us, for me. But yeah, no, I'm sure, not sure. So that was a golden box right there. Because, I mean, let's not mind about the degree. This is a 3-wave move. Yeah, again, let's not mind about the degree. 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maybe ABC, I don't know. It's a bit harder. We'll see. But yeah, long term, you could expect a bit more upside. I mean, short term, sorry. I was looking at it on the minute chart. Yeah. I guess you could expect downside, upside. I was actually here. I wanted to place a long, but then I had the session. I was around here. I said, okay, we might place it long. Should work out. But yeah, I had the session, so I didn't want to enter a trade while I'm with you guys. So because I mean, it's just hard to manage it. I would have to be quiet, and it's hard to be quiet when you have to do a live stream on YouTube, isn't it? But yeah, let me know if you have questions on USD CAD, and let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What else? All right. Any other question, guys? Anything I can help you with? We haven't looked at the indices yet. We could do that. I was a bit surprised because I was expecting ABC, but we made this top here, so that is quite interesting because it kind of messes up the count and opens up to a few other possibilities. By the way, guys, if you just joined us, welcome. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with. Let me know in the chat if there's anything you want to take a look at, and I'll be happy to show you. Here we're looking at the Nasdaq. So as I was saying, that was my main. That was my preferred count. However, we topped here. We made a higher high, which invalidates the count in a way. So what we can do, just a second. Sorry. So what we can do is we can all right. We can, where am I? All right, we can review it. All right. sorry guys. Just not sure what's happening with my computer. Okay. Oh, there we go. My bad. So, unless we have like some kind of wave 4 like this, very crappy, which is possible. I mean, it's not really, I mean, this wave, it would be just too large. I mean, much larger than wave 2. All right, let's look at Swiss yen. Just a moment. Huh. So yeah, not sure what your positions looks like, but it is interesting for sure. I mean, overall the trend has been going up, so that has to be said. Look at this. So yeah, we'll see, but it's a 3-wave move. Yes, it can get more complicated, become like this. But yeah, short term mostly we're seeing but yeah, we're starting to get into the oversold territory, so we could expect a pullback. The other one was Aussie. Don't I have it? Yes. Sorry. So, where am I? Oh, okay. So here we have. Okay, this is more interesting. Yeah, this looks like a nice short, long term. Yeah, long term, I like it. We could get with time down here for sure. Yeah, if it's a swing position, I like the short. Ideally we could it would be ideal if we can break this low. It would give us more confirmation, obviously. But yeah, I like that Aussie yen if it's long term. Otherwise, it's hard to say. Let me know if there's any questions. Happy to help. Obviously, guys, remember I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just here using my Elliott Wave knowledge. But obviously, mine aren't financial advice. Sorry. All right. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you with. In the meantime, we'll go back to the Nasdaq. Oh, GJ, EJ. Oh, you're welcome, Pen J, Pen Cage. Yeah, sorry if I think I mispronounced it twice. I'm sorry. Not good with names. Sometimes I forget even mine. So yeah, euro yen. Interesting, but not enough. I would stay away from it. And then you were saying GJ. Which I think you ask for every single time. Yes, you do. And my answer is still the same. I'm expecting downside. This would be validation level. A break north of this would be validation level. But yeah, same scenario as last time. Actually, this could be a top. So if you want to go aggressive, you can place a stop here. But otherwise, this would be safer. But yeah, that would be my take on it. All right. What else have we got here? What else have we got? Dollar index. Good point, man. So let's see. From last update. Yeah, I think we're due this way for. You know what? I think we do. Yeah. I think it could. Yeah, I mean, it's simple. You take the euro dollar, you reverse it, you get the count. Like this. So I think we're into this way for now. Let's see what we can get. But yeah, I'll expect a bounce, fullback. What else? Yeah, meantime, this keeps on falling. But yeah, I was just saying with the Nasdaq, challenging count, I gotta say. It's a bit challenging. I mean, what if, you could argue, what if we have some sort of leading diagonal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess some people will argue that. Let me see if wave 3 is shorter than wave is shorter than wave 1. It's not. We're way longer than 1. So yeah, it cannot be a leading diagonal. So yeah, this is not trend establishing. Long USD CAD. Oh, so you bought here. That was a good place to buy, wasn't it? Good job. But yeah, as I said, it looks like we do have a bit more upside to go, but once and if we get around here, we could be facing resistance. I said TP 138.9. Can it go there? Well, can it? So the answer to can it go there? Yes, it can go there. It can go to 100. It can go to 100,000. It can go to 0. It is different. Is will it go there? That I don't know. But as I said, I'll be more. Again, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy. I'll be more conservative, maybe, and I mean, hope your stop is at break even at least. But that depends on your strategy, on how you trade. But this could be an area where you could get resistance. So maybe at least taking partials there could be an option. Something to consider. But yeah, I guess we'll see. Yeah, that would be my answer. What else? Yeah, we're talking about the Nasdaq. I'm just curious about what's happening. Oh, you're very welcome. Yeah, keep just keep asking. Obviously, I cannot say too much, but all I can say, I'm happy to share it. But again, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't stress it enough. I wonder if here on the Nasdaq now, we're gonna fill this gap. Oh, silver. Interesting. We'll see. We'll see. I wouldn't marry the count, but I don't know. I'd say I don't have a view on silver. I'm blind on silver. But yeah, we could perhaps get for their upside. That's possible. All right. Aussie dollar. What else have we got? It just bothers me not knowing what's going on. It just bothers me. But yeah, I guess we'll find out. How's the Nifty doing? Oh, that's good. Moving as expected. So yeah, let's see. A golden box would be roughly here. So again, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subminuet, I like it black. Okay, so let me post this in Discord too. So it's only for Discord, so you can obviously see it. Nifty, another golden box. All right, and you guys ever looked at the? Oh, look at this. We're getting further upside. Yeah, the Turkish index poetry. How's the Dow? Where's the Dow? Ooh, well, the Dow is much more. It looks more like if the trend has resumed. Gotta be honest. Oh, euro pound. You're putting me on the spot. I don't know. The problem is it's not that easy to trade Forex with Elliott Wave. I wouldn't recommend it. But yeah, could expect that. The VIX, pretty stable. I see. All right. Anything else, guys? Anything else I can help with? What do you guys want to look at? What do you guys want to look at? Keeps happening. All right. So yeah, I think we might call it a day. Guys. I'll see if, you know what? I think I'll have a poll on the YouTube community and ask you guys what would be your favorite day for the live stream, because I'll see if I can also add another one. Maybe midweek. I'm not sure how you guys would enjoy a live stream on a Sunday, like a Sunday evening. Well, obviously, yeah, it depends on what part of the world you are. Because my evening could not be your evening. But yeah, on a Sunday, either way, like before the market opens. So that would be interesting. But yeah, I'll have a poll on the YouTube community and see what you guys prefer, because that would be helpful, so we can get the most out of it, and more people can attend the sessions and they can benefit from it, hopefully, as you guys are today. And yeah, hope you guys appreciate these sessions. I try to do my best, but I'm not perfect, not yet at least. But yeah, jokes apart, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys are gonna have a great weekend, and we'll stay in touch. We'll stay in touch with the next video, obviously. Next week, we'll see what I'm gonna post about. I'll see if I can spot any good opportunity in the market. And all right, guys. It's been a pleasure. Yeah. All I can say is thanks for joining. Thanks a lot. Remember to smash the like button. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.